Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have started a new Paint with Me series where I will be showing how you can paint through a reference images, like you can take any kind of photograph that inspires you and how you can start painting that, okay? But before starting this, I would just like to make one thing very clear. My paintings will not be an exact replica of any reference image. I'll be using these photographs, or you can say reference images, just to replicate the elements or the placements, and that's all. As I feel adding your touch into the paintings is very important for improving yourself as an artist and learning new techniques. Adding your creativity into the paintings makes your painting unique. That's why I'm using my reference images just as a reference images. I hope you get the point. So this painting is not inspired by any particular reference images. Like I have used few elements, you can say few basic elements. What's coming into my mind right now, I'm just painting that, okay? Here I have used basic blending for the sky and few different shades of green for the land part. Also added few trees using black color and have added a little bit of highlights and shadow onto it just to add more depth. And the most requested topic by my students is how I paint the clouds. So the answer is very simple. I have just used a little bit of blue into my white mix, and I'll be using it as a base layer and just forming the basic structure for my clouds. Afterwards, I'll add shadows into my clouds by mixing a little bit of red and burnt umber into my white and blue mix, or you can say the leftover mix. Now it's time to add the highlight onto the high points. So we are done with our first painting. Let's peel the tape to see our final look. This is the reference image for our second painting. Instead of making the exact replica, I am simplifying it for my upcoming 7 days gouache workshop. It's a learning from the scratch kind of a course where I'll be covering all the topics right from handling the medium to painting the realistic artwork. My motive is to make you understand that how you can simply be inspired with any photograph and simply convert it into your artwork. If any one of you is interested in my workshop, then just drop me a message on my Instagram. And if you are not using it, just drop me a mail on my email ID and I will share you all the details and add you in my group as well. For this painting, I have used two-way blending techniques, and after blending the sky, I have used various shades of orange to make an illusion of it. Here I am just going with the flow and trying to simplify the steps. After blending the background, I'll be using few different shades just to add the depth into my painting. At this point, you must be thinking that what I'm about to paint. But all I have to say is trust the process. Yes, trust the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this paint with me session, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take a good care of yourself and bye bye.